Now they're working. Turn the TV on or camera on. Look at that, eh?
Got it working.
Oh, that one's not going to work.
So, this is kind of just, I guess, the end of our day. But as a bit of a recap, what did we work on? We got how many bales of hay?
We got 58 bales of hay.
Up in the loft, and that's done. Yeah. Be careful with your fingers. 58 bales of hay. We planted, was it 11 of the Saskatoon plants?
11 Saskatoons. We got the 3 apple trees in.
Planted.
Well, right now we're trying to do the garlic.
Yep, we're getting the garlic all
crafted.
Yep, we're trying to. They're not all cracking perfectly.
And this one, I have no idea what I'm doing.
I probably made some really funny faces there.
That's all right. So right now we're just kind of getting them apart, and then we're going to do the soak with the baking soda.
So where's my cookie?
In here. Oh yeah, in here. We're going to do the soak with the baking soda. Just because it's our first year growing it, we figure why not. But
they've been stored in the box for a while and look good. So.
Yeah, I haven't come across any like rotten or
no. But if we soak them, we're committed. Tomorrow they have to be planted. So
that's tomorrow's plan. So
planting the garlic, yay! Finally, we got the hydrants off the list this weekend, and we're gonna get the garlic off. I almost would say that one for cooking. What do you think?
Oh, you can, or you can break it open and see.
Fantastic.
Anyway, so we're going to keep going here. We've got 2 excellent little helpers helping. So we're going to continue on and try to get this done.
Yes, so stay tuned tomorrow to see if we actually get it planted.
Oh, we will.
We will.
It has to happen now.
It has to, yeah. We've ripped them open now. There's no going back.
Yep.
That's a really nice one. That'll make a really good clove of garlic. You should have showed everyone. Hold that up for everyone. Look at the size. Hang on, let me make sure you're on it. Oh, let me zoom in on you, Alex. She's got a beauty.
They're all like this on this one.
Let's see.
Do you want to see what the other ones look like?
No, if they all look like that, that's pretty good. It's going to grow some nice garlic. Does everybody remember what kind of garlic this is?
No. This is another one. They're all pretty big.
They are all big. We're planting music garlic.
Kids did a fantastic job helping us get all the garlic out of the bulbs. So we've got our big thing of bulbs, and so we've never really planted garlic in any sort of big way before. I don't know whether you need to do this or not, but we are going to do the baking soda soak kind of overnight-ish, probably a little longer than that, but before we plant, because we figure why not.
So what is the baking soda supposed to do?
Well, we're leaving the one part out, which is the fertilizer part. I don't know how, because usually they say use like a seaweed fertilizer. We don't have that, so we're just going to do the baking soda, and that's supposed to help with, I think it's with mites and mold or
mildew type
stuff. So we're going to try it. Even if it helps a little bit, great. So basically all it is 2
liters of water.
2 liters of water and a half a tablespoon of the baking soda. So I'm going to see if I can measure this baking soda stuff out here.
And as you said, it's not science. So
no, it's not an exact science, so that's why I'm doing it over the container. That looks about right.
Yep.
So do that. And then pour the water in. I think it'll fit. Hopefully.
Oh yeah, I got lots of in there.
There's any more once the garlic's all in. And if not, we can always mix up a little bit more too.
Yeah.
So we're just going to kind of go through, because we kind of did it quick, and just look. We're going to try to plant as much of this as we can. We had a few bulbs that we were they were small, and so we didn't bother, but we'll eat those. But just going to give them a quick once over as we go through and see if there's anything going on with them. I know there's a couple where the inner skin got ripped off. We'll just put them aside. Same thing. They might grow, they might not, but we might as well eat them. But basically, yeah, we're just going to, I think we're going to need more water, but put them in there and then let
And
them
they have to soak
overnight.
for, yeah, overnight.
I forget exactly how long.
I think it said it's 16 hours, but we're just going to do overnight and then get them planted tomorrow.
Yep.
The bed's all ready and looks good, so we just got to
Yeah, just got to
do it.
get it in the ground, and fortunately the weather has cooperated.
So far, anyways, so.
But, yeah.
Excellent.
Should
So
count
glad.
these. Should count these as we go through. I should
Count how many cloves we're planting.
yeah, how many cloves end up in here, and then be like, this is how many we're planting. This is our music garlic. We do have a small number of another kind.
What was it, Siberian?
Siberian garlic. So this is what 280 cloves of garlic look like soaking in a pan of baking soda or water, waiting to be planted tomorrow. How do you feel about that?
Well, that's awesome for next year. That's a lot to plant.
Garlic?
That's pretty awesome if you can get even 150 cloves out of that. But we wanted to document how many cloves we actually planted, because it'd be interesting to see how many come up, and it gives you a percentage or a ratio of how many. And we went through them with a pretty fine tooth comb and took out anything that didn't make the cut. So
Well, we figured there's no point in trying to plant for this year, given we don't have that many. Plant the ones where the skin split when we
came
were
off.
taking them apart and that sort of thing. But anyways, so that's the leftovers. And then we got one
very
little.
exciting.
We've got a few extra bulbs that we didn't split open. That
Yeah, we'll save for cooking over the winter.
Yeah.
I've got some canning still to do. I've got 120 pounds of tomatoes in the freezer, so it'll be good to have some garlic.
But
to
not
do
a lot
some
of
stuff.
point of planting the little guys, but they'll still taste good.
Yep. So we're taking a break from our garlic prep to do our draw for our 2 pairs of homespun, home knit mittens for our 200 subscriber giveaway. It has been a great start to our channel, and we want to definitely thank everybody that has subscribed and followed us. We love all the comments that have been coming, and we appreciate everyone so much. We flew past 200, which is fantastic in our books. I think we're now at 234. So definitely it's coming, which we are so excited about, and we definitely have a lot more content coming up for this winter. Lots of things we want to share with you, from wrapping up the garden to planning for next year to doing some fleece stuff inside. Definitely a whole lot to come. But without further ado, I think we should get on to our draw. We are using a website called wheelofnames.com. So this will just randomly choose. In total, we had 38 people enter to be in the draw. So everybody's name is on the wheel, and we're going to give a click to draw our first. Wait.
Where do I click?
Just hang on. We need a pen to write this down. This is hopefully going to work. So,
Where do I click here?
I think you just click on the wheel. And
There it
here's our
goes.
spinning.
Number 1.
Is Remy Arsenal. And I know he has some weather that will definitely be thankful that he has those mittens up there in the Maritimes. So that's fantastic.
So I think I take him out.
Yeah, he comes out. That's
Okay. So now we go for number 2 once it catches up here.
so Remy has been removed, and we are going to spin the wheel again for our
Number
second
2.
winner, who is Moonchild Farm. So we will be sure to contact those people if they happen to watch this video and want to comment below. That works out fantastic, and we will get them our email so we can get their addresses, and we will get these in the mail to you. Congratulations to you both, and both are great channels, so definitely check them out. We'll put their links below on this video. And thanks again to everybody for subscribing, commenting, liking,
Participating.
participating, all those wonderful things. Anyways, on with our garlic.
Yep. So there's the few Siberians that we have to do. Kind of excited about them. Miles sent me home with those, so we're going to plant them in a different little garden here this year, but going to get those few bulbs split up and soaking as well.